Good morning, Supervisor. Morning.
All right, team. Let's look at the production board for today's schedule.
Gloves look good. Ensure the sanitizer covers all surfaces. All checked lead. Ready for the floor.
Contracts. The full process begins at the receiving dock. Every sack of rice is meticulously scanned and logged. Check the seals on these bags carefully, then place them on the scale.
I am inspecting them now, Supervisor. The weight is stable.
We have to check the grain size uniformity first.
And then, the moisture content on the meter.
Ensure the flow rate stays consistent here. We need to check for broken grains.
Yes, checking now.
We must check these magnetic traps regularly. They ensure no ferrous contaminants move to the milling stage.
Check the timer. Is it set for 15 minutes?
Yes, it is running smoothly now. We can start the next batch soon.
Monitor the turbidity meter closely. The green light indicates optimal clarity for the rinsing process. We need to maintain the 2:1 ratio for the rice and lentil soak water.
Yes, that ensures the perfect fermentation for the dosas.
Monitor the soak duration closely on this panel. The consistency depends on it. This section needs cleaning before the next cycle.
I see it. I'll get the brush.
As the dal drains, monitor the flow rate. Remember, preventing cross-contamination starts with maintaining.
Keep an eye on the RPM display. We want the slurry smooth like this before we increase the flow rate. The aeration looks good, but ensure the temperature stays within the cool range for the best fermentation.
I will keep monitoring the gauge, sir.
The urad paste measurement looks good. Should we initiate the blending sequence?
Yes, confirm the batch ID and start the mixer.
Little less. Yes, that is accurate. That's confirmed. Good. Ensure it is logged correctly in the system.
We need to maintain 5 degrees Celsius for optimal fermentation. Go ahead and start the sequence.
Initiating the fermentation cycle.
The latest batch is tracking well against the target curve. Check the pH again at the 5-hour mark.
pH is currently at 4.
Maintain the slow, steady speed shown here on the RPM. This aeration is essential for the dosas.
I see. Keep the bubbles intact.
Valve sequence starts here, then move to the red handle.
Got it. Transfer flow engaged. Maintain this flow rate. The viscosity should remain within the green band on the monitor.
Understood, Supervisor. The texture is perfect.
Monitor these gauges closely to maintain the warm zones.
Understood. And the safety zones.
Yes, ensure everyone stays clear of this area during operation.
Just a thin sheen of oil gently across the heat. Keep it moving so it seasons evenly.
The current setting is 10 grams, but we need to verify the flow. Adjust the volume calibration here. Okay, I see the interface now.
Adjust the spread radius here for the desired thickness. And the speed setting ensures the spiral is uniform. Precisely, keep an eye on the UI readings during the cycle. Keep an eye on the temperature in zone 2. It needs to be precise.
Understood. Monitoring it closely.
The key is maintaining this precise spray pattern for an even coat.
Watch the micromilliliter counter.
Understood. Watch the color right here at the rim. See the difference.
Ah, that golden lace means it's ready.
The key is this precise angle setting. It ensures the dosa peels off perfectly in one sheet. Pay attention to the torque feedback here.
Watch the alignment on this fold. It's shifting slightly.
Noted. Adjusting the speed now.
The tension here is critical for the final texture. See how smoothly it rolls now.
Yes, much better than the last batch.
Inside a modern Indian dosa factory, run from rice-lentil batter to perfect thin dosas plant.
As you can see on the screen, the system confirms the size and the golden color consistency. This is the acceptable range for the final product.
As you can see, the thickness here is optimal. Please log this reading in the register.
The limit is set here on the sensor.
Right, I'll keep the stack height consistent. Check the weight again. It needs to be precise.
Almost there. Adjusting now.
We need to ensure the seals are tight on this batch.
Yes, and check the alignment on the conveyor.
I'll adjust the speed slightly.
This setting controls the upper and lower heater zones. We need to maintain 150 degrees for the optimal.
A little to the left on that one.
Okay, got it. Handle with care.
We use the nitrogen flush to preserve freshness. Keep the flow rate steady. Monitor the UI for the optimal setting. Pay close attention to the pressure reading here. Too low, and the seal fails the PS criteria. Temperature must remain stable.
See how it flashes green at 0.09. That means the weight is correct. We only stop the line if it shows red.
Understood, sir. Green is good.
Guide that corner in. Needs to be tighter for the heat seal. Aligning it now. Is that better?
Make sure the crease aligns perfectly here before you press down.
Like this?
Yes, that ensures the box forms correctly every time.
Check the tension setting right here. It needs to be firm enough for a perfect seal.
Understood. Maintain consistent pressure.
Right here, scan this one.
Verified. Status updated.
Gently pull the film through these rollers first.
Okay, I've got it. How tight should it be?
Remember, first in, first out. Place the new shipment behind the existing stock. Understood. This pallet is scanned and clear for loading. Confirmed. Dispatch shows ready to load on bay 3.
Check the dosing pump levels daily. This blue valve controls the detergent flow.
Ensure the probe tip is flush with the griddle surface, right next to the dosa. The heat must be consistent across all zones for even cooking.
The pH and viscosity readings are optimal.
Check the aroma profile now. We need that perfect sour-tart balance before we issue the pass.
Check the seals here for any gaps. Pest control is critical at this stage.
Noted. I'll double check the logs.
Check the permeate pressure here. It should stabilize around 50 psi after the backwash cycle.
And if it drops below 45?
Then we inspect the membranes.
Maintaining this spice-free environment is critical for allergen control and dosa purity. Please ensure all protocols are strictly followed.
Ensure the tamper seal is pressed firmly along the edge.
Confirmed. It is secure.
Adjust this valve slowly until the flow meter stabilizes at the required level.
Okay, I see the reading stabilizing now.
Increase the temperature in the left zone by 5 degrees to ensure uniformity for the dosa batter. Align the dosa sample precisely for the crispness resistance test.
The sensor is engaging. It looks like it's within spec.
The sealed waste bins are logged meticulously here at the Dosa factory recovery station to ensure full compliance.
Fissures. The key to the perfect dosa is maintaining the batter consistency, right from the initial rice and lentil mix.
Verify the spelling of dosa and confirm the batch fields are accurate according to the specification.
Confirmed. The label is approved.
Make sure the logo is facing forward on all of them. Okay, got it.
Should they be stacked 5 high?
Yes, 5 is perfect for the display shelf.
Place this pallet in section C.
Scanning confirmed. Proceed to the next aisle. Look at the efficiency metrics on the griddle line. We optimized the spread rate by 2% this quarter. That significantly reduces wastage.
This is the final sanitizing rinse for the griddle scrapers. Make sure they are perfectly clean before placing them on the labeled rack. The readings confirm the wash water is within limits.
Data recorded. The system is running efficiently.
Bring up this. This is the full process, from the rice and lentil batter straight through to the final thin dosas.
We maintain strict quality.
Hooray! Yeah, great job, everyone.
Inside a modern Indian dosa factory dough treat. From rice-lentil batter to perfect thin dosa.
The quality of this rice batch looks excellent for the dosa batter.
Yes, the lentils also look perfect.
The viscosity is holding steady at 10, exactly where we want it for the ideal thin dosa. And the pH level is stable as well. Check the temperature on zone 3.
Holding steady at 200.
Increase the batter flow slightly.
Maintain the synchronized flow. Ensure the batter consistency gives us that perfect thin crease every time.
Adjust the nozzle slightly to the left to even out the cooling flow here.
Understood. I'll calibrate it now.
Make sure the film guides are aligned properly to prevent jams.
Align them exactly like this to ensure smooth flow.
Align the scanner here. The angle is key to getting a clean read on the first pass, especially for the traceability data.
Operators. This interface controls the batter flow. We select Dosa 10 for the perfect thinness, adjusting the dough.
Make sure these rice pallets are staged for the morning shift.
Got it. I'll update the inventory now.
Pay close attention to this section of the graph. This dip in crispness correlates directly with the increase in thickness later in the run.
I see the correlation now.
All right, finalize the dispatch for the dosa factory shipment. Confirmed. Dispatch complete.
Safe journey, everyone. We finished the quota on time.
Yes. See you all tomorrow.
Ensure all surfaces are sterilized before the next batch.
Quality check confirmed. Everything is spotless.
The key is ensuring the rice-lentil ratio is precise for the texture.
Yes. Quality control at that stage guarantees the perfect thin dosa.